Hi guys, in front of me is REALME 10 and let me show you how to activate developer options on this device. So at first you have to find and select settings. Now go to about device and here click on version. Here you'll notice build number, so tap on it 7 times. And once it's done, provide your lock screen. As you can see, from now on you are a developer. To find developer panel, you have to go back and go to system settings. From now on, they would be visible right here. Smoothly click to open, and now you can use all of them. So just scroll down and do whatever you need, whatever you want. Then to lock a developer panel again, just unmark the stop switcher, and as you can see, it will no longer be active. And then to use it again, you will have to provide the same trick. So that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.